Welcome to RS.Tutorials. We have completed 1 year and now we are celebrating our first anniversary here. Please do like, share and comment on that. Thank you. Here we go with the first year anniversary cake of RS.Tutorials. And a lot of other decorations on the wall, and the entire tutorials was decorated by Ravi Srivastav and also with the students. So here we go. Please keep watching this RS.Tutorials first year celebration video, and also like, share, also a lot of other videos in RS.Tutorials and Ravi Srivastav. That was a YouTube channel here, the cake cutting ceremony of RS.Tutorials. It was a first year celebration. Thank you. Keep watching for good students, good knowledge and good faculties over here. Here we go. We have started with snacks and other items, and all the students and small kids were enjoying their party and celebration snacks of first anniversary of RS.Tutorials. They are enjoying here. You can see. Keep watching. Thank you so much for watching. Keep watching for bright students, talented students and RS.Tutorials encouragement. If you want to contact, our contact number is given on the poster and the banner as well. So please go ahead and subscribe our channel, and please like it and share with your students and friends as well. Thank you once again. Keep watching. This was the first year celebration. Here we can see a lot of students has also got so many talents, like they are playing guitars in the celebration of first year of RS.Tutorials, and also girls and small students also getting dance on the floor in the RS.Tutorial as well. So they are much talented. Please go ahead and watch it as well. Thank you. Please do like, share with your friends and students upcoming bright future of the India. And this was decorated by Ravi Srivastav and also the help with the students. Here we can see the students also get so many encouragement gifts here so that they can do and perform well in the class and also get good marks. So I request you to please do like, share this channel and subscribe it also, so that also students get encouragement from your side as well. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching. This was presented by RS.Tutorials and created by Ravi Srivastav. Please do like, share and comment, and also do subscribe our channel. Thank you once again.